Have you ever wondered why gaskets start leaking on engines? You might see oil around the valve cover, coolant around the water pump, or fluid collecting around engine components and think something suddenly failed. But most of the time, gasket leaks don't happen overnight. They usually develop slowly over time. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series, where I break down real automotive questions drivers ask every day so you can understand what's normal, what's not, and how your vehicle actually works. First, let's talk about what a gasket actually does. An engine is made up of multiple metal components that bolt together. The engine block, cylinder head, valve covers, intake manifold, oil pan, water pump, and many other parts all connect to each other. Between those parts sits a gasket. A gasket's job is simple but extremely important. It seals the space between two surfaces so fluids and pressure stay where they're supposed to. Engines contain oil, coolant, combustion gases, and sometimes vacuum pressure, all moving through different passages. Without gaskets, those fluids would leak out immediately. So if gaskets are designed to seal things, why do they eventually leak? The biggest reason is heat and age. Engines operate under extreme temperatures. Every time you drive, the engine heats up and then cools down again after it's turned off. These heat cycles cause the metal parts of the engine to expand and contract. The gasket between those parts experiences the same movement. Over thousands of heating and cooling cycles, the gasket material slowly breaks down. Rubber gaskets can harden and lose flexibility. Composite gaskets can compress and weaken. Eventually, the seal becomes less effective and small leaks begin to appear. Another common reason gaskets leak is pressure. Engines contain several systems operating under pressure. Oil pressure circulates through the engine to lubricate moving parts. Coolant pressure builds inside the cooling system to regulate temperature. Combustion pressure inside the cylinders can reach extremely high levels. Gaskets must contain all of that pressure. Over time, even a small weakness in a gasket can allow fluid to escape. Oil leaks are one of the most common examples. Valve cover gaskets sit on top of the engine and seal the area where oil circulates through the valvetrain. Because they are exposed to constant heat from the engine, these gaskets eventually harden and shrink. Once that happens, oil can begin seeping out around the edges. Another factor that causes gasket leaks is surface wear or distortion. For a gasket to seal properly, the two surfaces it sits between must be flat and clean. If a component warps slightly from overheating, corrosion, or improper installation, the gasket may not seal evenly. Even a small gap can allow fluids to escape. Improper installation can also cause gasket leaks. If bolts are not tightened evenly or to the correct torque specification, the gasket may not compress properly. Too little pressure and the gasket won't seal. Too much pressure can damage the gasket material and cause it to fail prematurely. Contamination can also weaken gaskets. Oil, coolant, and chemical exposure can slowly break down gasket materials over time. This is especially true if maintenance is neglected and fluids become contaminated or degraded. Another reason gasket leaks occur is simply time and mileage. Rubber and composite materials naturally age. Even if a vehicle isn't driven very often, heat cycles and environmental exposure still affect gasket materials. Over many years, the gasket gradually loses its ability to maintain a tight seal. Some engines are also more prone to certain gasket leaks than others because of design factors. For example, valve cover gaskets and oil pan gaskets are common leak points on many vehicles simply because of their location and exposure to heat and vibration. Head gaskets are another well-known example. Head gaskets seal the connection between the engine block and the cylinder head. They must contain combustion pressure, oil passages, and coolant passages all at the same time. Because they handle multiple types of pressure and heat, they are one of the most critical gaskets in the engine. If a head gasket fails, the engine may lose compression, mix coolant and oil, or overheat. Fortunately, most gasket leaks people see on engines are much smaller issues, like valve cover or oil pan leaks. Maintenance and proper repairs can help reduce gasket problems. Using the correct fluids, maintaining proper engine temperatures, and fixing small leaks early can prevent bigger issues later. Regular inspections also help catch gasket leaks before they become severe. Sometimes a small oil seep may only require a simple gasket replacement rather than allowing the leak to grow into a larger problem. Understanding how gaskets work helps explain why leaks are a normal part of aging in many vehicles. Gaskets operate under constant heat, pressure, and movement. Eventually, the materials simply wear out. So have you ever wondered why gaskets leak? Most of the time, it's not sudden failure. It's the result of heat cycles, pressure, aging materials, and the natural wear that comes from years of engine operation. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series.